Yes, Mr. Chair.
Meron ulit. Ang tapak naman ng apog. Sorry ha. Palpak na ngayong at the same yung pagkukunan nyo. Saan pa pala galing itong fertilizer? Yung mga pumalpak na pinagsusuli ng MMD at saka ng PNP.
I'm just aware of,
Saan
sir,
made ito? Made in which
the
country?
procurement date is 2017, Mr. Chair.
Opo. Saan po? Made in what country is it?
I don't know the status now, Mr. Chair.
Made in Iraq? Hindi.
Mga idol, umabot na nga kay Senator Raffy Tulfo ang kapalpakan ng LTO dahil napag-alaman sa investigasyon ng budget hearing na nasayang lang ang pera ng bayan. Patungkol ito sa binili ng LTO na breathalyzer o breath analyzer na umabot ng 51 million pesos. Napag-alaman na puro sira pala ang mga breathalyzer na nagkakahalaga pa man din ito ng 68,000 pesos bawat isa.
This was
So ang pinapalabas mo na nag-work ang ilang breathalyzer.
yes, Mr. Chair.
What a very convenient excuse. Eh yung sa MMDA, 215 isinole. Sa PNP, 50 isinole. So ibig sabihin, meron ilan-ilan doon na naiwan sa inyo ang hindi nasole. Or baka ang ginawa nyo, namili kayo kung ano yung mga palpak, yun ang binigay nyo sa MMDA. Kung ano yung palpak, binigay nyo sa PNP. Natira sa inyo, hindi palpak. So nung dumating yung breathalyzer, merong tumitingin sa inyo kung ano yung nag-work at anong hindi. Alam niyo na merong hindi nag-work. So hindi nag-work, pinasa nyo sa ibang agency. But I don't believe you anyway. Well, meron kayo na-apprehend, thank you, pero hindi nagamit ang breathalyzer. Yun eh. So, ano nangyari doon sa mga breathalyzer na mga sinuli?
I just got a confirmation, Mr. Chair. It was really returned to LTO. And
Meron kayong resibo, MMDA and PNP na it was returned and meron kayong received copy?
I'm pretty sure, Your Honor, we have documentation, Your Honor. I don't recall kung ni-receive ba namin siya officially tapos binalik or hindi na namin tinanggap dahil isinaoli na, Your Honor. I'll check with our admin service, Your Honor. For sure, there's a documentation on that. Unless nga po na from the start hindi po namin officially tinanggap dahil kailangan po talaga i-calibrate yung mga breath analyzers, Your Honor.
Ganon din kayo PNP, HPG?
Yes, sir. We have our supply accountable officer who do the process of receiving and returning the mentioned ABA, sir.
Okay. So, LTO, sir?
I will check again, Mr. Chair, with the property of LTO as to the status of these units, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Nang sinubukan naman nila ang breathalyzer, ay nag-negatibo mano ang resulta kahit pa man nakainom ng alak ang sumubok nito. Ibig sabihin lang nito, palpak ang breathalyzer.
68,000. Napakamahal yata kasi sir, nag-check kami dyan. Sa US po, 5,000 to 14,000 ang isang breathalyzer. Sa Thailand, 3,000 pesos at tumbas. Sa China, 22,000. Pero doon na lang tayo sa US, 5,000 to 14,000. Bakit po sobrang mahal? Sino-sino ilan po yung breathalyzer na na-procure ninyo? Ulit?
Mr. Chair, this was distributed to all the regional offices from
Okay.
Region 1 to including NCR, CAR, and Caraga.
Alright.
Initially, there was also 50 units transferred to the PNP.
50 units to the PNP. Okay.
215 units to MMDA,
200.
15 units to MMDA,
Okay. MMDA. Okay.
this is for a total of 756 units, Mr. Chair.
Na-flag down kayo ng COA, Commission on Audit. At merong worth 51 million pesos na mga kagamitan kasama na yung fertilizer na nakatenga lamang sa inyong ahensya sa stockroom at hindi nagagamit. Din po ito sa COA. 51 million. Hindi lang naka-specify kung ilan dito ay fertilizer. Attorney Artes,
Yes, Your Honor. Since MMDA was mentioned, yes, we received some units of breath analyzers from LTO, but we returned them because it was not calibrated, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay.
I remember at the time, then Chairman, the late Danilo Lim, tested the breath analyzer by asking one of his security to drink alcohol and try the breath analyzer. And it registered zero alcohol level. That's why we returned it, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung fertilizer na 68,000 pesos, ang halaga lang noon, wala pa sa piso dahil palpak. You returned it.
That's what I recall, Your Honor. We returned all of it, Your Honor. That's
All
what
the
we do.
215 units din.
Yes, all of the units. I don't recall, Your Honor, the exact number, but after the test conducted, then at the time it was, I think, even before pandemic, we returned all the units, Your Honor. that we
Every
received.
single one of them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Tumatas na kami yung PNP. PNP, nabigyan kayo ng 50 fertilizer na worth 68,000 bawat unit. Anong nangyari doon?
Yes, sir. Total 3 years ago, sir, we also received that units. But we returned, sir, because
Ito na
it was
naman.
not calibrated.
Lahat return to sender.
Yes, sir.
Cheese. Dahil hindi calibrated and it didn't work. Okay. LTO, sir. So kung hindi nag-work yung mga ipinasa nyo sa kanila, nakapareho lang naman doon sa, sabi nyo, ipinasa nyo sa iba't ibang mga district ninyo, regional office nyo. So, hindi nag-work. Anong ginawa nyo? 68,000 sa isang palpak. Bulok. Sira. Na fertilizer. Sinayang natin yung pera ng taong bayan.
Mga idol, tama lang ba ang ginawa ni Senator Raffy Tulfo doon sa LTO officer? Maraming salamat mga idol. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-follow ang ating Facebook page at ating YouTube channel para updated po kayo sa susunod nating mga video.